Hello guys and welcome back to MS Tech Tutorials, and in today's video I'm going to be going over how to fix the Spider-Man 2 GPU slash graphics error, and let's get straight into the video. Now the first thing that you guys can do is go over to the search bar and go ahead and type in device manager. Once the device manager pops up, you can make your way over to display adapters, then go ahead and right click on your GPU, hit update driver, and then I recommend hitting search automatically for drivers, and this basically just updates your drivers. Now, what you can also do is if you are on NVIDIA, you can go over to GeForce Experience. You can just wait for it to load real quick. If you're on AMD, I recommend just going into Google and just typing in AMD drivers, latest drivers, and you can install it from there. Or what you can do is you can use the AMD app, but either way works. The first method also works as well. But anyways, go over to drivers and then hit check for updates. If there are any updates, go ahead and install and update your drivers. And then I highly recommend restarting your PC right after as well. Now, once you do all of these steps, you guys should be good to go. You can always go ahead and turn down in-game settings as well. So turn down the settings to low or performance mode. That will always help as well. And then once you guys are done with that, you guys should be good to go and you're all set. So that is it for the video. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give the video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and have a great day.